SIM card rejection, reasons and fixes.
Hello everyone, welcome to this educational video. Today, we'll be looking at a common issue many mobile device users experience, SIM card rejection. This video will shed light on the common reasons for a SIM card to be rejected and offer potential solutions.
What does SIM card rejection mean?
SIM card rejection happens when your mobile device cannot establish a connection with your SIM card. It's frustrating when your phone displays messages like, SIM not recognized, invalid SIM, or no SIM card inserted.
What are the common reasons for SIM card rejection?
There could be multiple reasons behind a SIM card being rejected. Here are some common ones. 1. SIM card not inserted properly. This is one of the most common causes of SIM card rejection. If the SIM card is not properly placed in the slot, the mobile device might not be able to read it. 2. Faulty SIM card. If the SIM card is physically damaged or has been subject to wear and tear, it could lead to rejection. 3. Software issues. At times, it's not the hardware but the software causing the issue. A bug or glitch in your mobile operating system can cause the device to reject the SIM card. 4. Inactive SIM. If your SIM card has not been used for a long time, service providers may deactivate it. A deactivated or expired SIM will be rejected by your mobile device. 5. Network provider issues. Sometimes the problem doesn't lie in your device or SIM card, but with the network provider. They might be experiencing outages or technical difficulties that lead to SIM card rejection.
What are the fixes for SIM card rejection?
1. Reinsert the SIM card. Remove the SIM card from the slot, clean it gently with a dry cloth, and reinsert it properly. Make sure it fits snugly in the slot. 2. Restart your device. Restarting your device can solve a multitude of problems. It can clear minor bugs or glitches that may cause the device to reject the SIM. 3. Update your software. Ensure that your device's software is up to date. Sometimes, software updates fix bugs that may cause the SIM to be unrecognized. 4. Contact your service provider. If all else fails, reach out to your service provider. They can confirm if the SIM card is active and can provide guidance on other possible solutions. SIM card rejection can be quite a nuisance, but knowing the common reasons behind it and their fixes can make the process of troubleshooting a lot easier. Remember, the issue could be as simple as reinserting the SIM card or as complex as a network outage. Therefore, understanding these common causes and their solutions can save you both time and stress. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay connected, stay informed,